a wide range of items including clothing, electronics, furniture, and more. You Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will told you about how we can earning through Facebook platform. Earning through Facebook has become popular, offering various avenues for individual and businesses to generate income. Here's a detailed overview of how you can monetize your presence on Facebook. Facebook page monetization. Ad breaks. Eligible Facebook pages can monetize their videos through ad breaks, where shorts ads are inserted during their videos. To qualify, your page need to you have at least 10,000 followers, meet certain eligibility criteria, and comply with Facebook's content or community standards. In stream ads, in addition to ad breaks, you can enable in stream ads on eligible longer videos to earn revenue based on ad views and viewers engagement. Facebook manage the ad placement, and you have received a share of the revenue generated from ads uh, show on your videos. Fan subscriptions is another type of monetization in which Facebook offer a fan subscription feature that allow followers to become paying subscribers to your page. Subscriber gain access to exclusive content, budgets, badges, and other perks, and you receive a monthly income from their subscriptions. Facebook Marketplace is another platform in which main point is selling product. Facebook Marketplace provide a platform for individuals and businesses to buy and sell a wide range of items including clothing, electronics, furniture, and more. You can list your product for sale, communicate with potential buyers, and arrange transactions directly through the platform. Other point is offering services. Beside physical codes, you can also offer services on your uh, marketing Facebook marketplace, such as tutoring, event planning, home repair, and freelance work. You can create service listing, specify your rates and availability, and connect with potential clients in your local area. Facebook groups, Facebook groups paid membership. If you manage a Facebook group with a highly engaged community, you can offer paid internship membership to provide exclusive content, resource, or community benefit to your members. You can set a monthly subscription fee and offer different membership tiers, and offer different varying perk. Affiliate marketing is another point. Is Facebook group. You can use the Facebook groups to promote affiliate product or service relevant to your group interest. By sharing affiliate links and recommendation, you can earn commission for every sale or referral made your through made through your links. These all benefit some benefit of Facebook monetization, and we can earn through all these points. We will meet in next video, which in I tell you about the more ways of Facebook through we can earn a handsome earning from Facebook.